Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so now. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified whenever I have new videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my EFO RIRO, which is otherwise known as the vegetable soup. For this EFO RIRO, I'm going to be using spinach, that's fresh spinach, and also kale. I'm going to be washing this under running water. I'm also going to be soaking it in vinegar. I'm going to be using fresh peppers, tomatoes, bell peppers, ginger, onions, as well as habanero. And I'm going to be blending this into a smooth paste in my blender. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing will be to put my pot on my gas stove. And then I'll be adding in 3 cooking spoons of palm oil. I'm going to let my palm oil heat up a little bit for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to be adding in my freshly cut onions into this palm oil. I'm going to allow the onions to simmer for a while. Of course, till the onion turns translucent. Once it turns translucent, I'm going to be adding in my bouillon cube, or otherwise your seasoning cube. This turns translucent. I'm going to be pouring in my pepper mixture, which of course is the blended peppers that I showed you earlier. So I'm just going to stir this mixture just to ensure that the seasoning and the palm oil thoroughly mixes with the pepper. And then I'm going to cover this and leave to simmer for 20 minutes. I have my mushrooms I'm going to be adding into my veggies. I have my locust beans, which is otherwise known as iru or dadawa. And then I have my chopped habaneros, my fish, and then my beef. So these are the things I'm going to be adding into my veggies. After 20 minutes, my pepper is thoroughly simmered. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to taste into this mixture. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of salt. And then the next thing I'll be doing will be to add my mushrooms, my fish, my meat, as my orishirishi meat, crayfish, and every other thing you would like to add into your vegetable, you add it at this stage. So once you add that, you continue to stir it and allow it to mix up thoroughly. I'm also going to be adding my locust beans at this stage, because you actually want every part of your beef and whatever you're going to be adding into your EFO RIRO or your vegetable stew, you want it to be thoroughly coated with the pepper. I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil for a while. That's another 10 minutes. At the end of the 10 minutes, I'll come back to check and stir my mixture properly. And then this is the stage I'm going to be adding in my washed vegetables. Like I mentioned, I make use of the spinach and kale vegetable. You could use any type of vegetable you have. If you want, if you have ugu available, if you have green collard, you can use that. If you have tete, you can use that. Whatever vegetable you have, just use it. Adding in my habanero into the veggie mixture, and that's just because I want that pepperish kick in my vegetable soup. Cameroon pepper. You can also add more crayfish at this stage. So I'm going to leave this to simmer for another 5 minutes at low heat. At the end of the 5 minutes, table is ready, and this is the finished product. This can be eaten with pounded yam, with yam flour, with semovita, with garri, whatever you like to eat it. You can actually even eat it with rice. You can eat it with yam, potatoes. It's a very versatile soup that can be used to eat anything. Thank you, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please subscribe and share as much as you can. Thank you, and have a great day.